Hi, this is an introduction to Audiobook Cloud, a new service that is being offered by the Kingston Frontenac Public Library. Now, in order to access Audiobook Cloud, you will need to go to our homepage at kfpl.ca and click on Explore Online Resources. That's on our main banner. From there, choose from the drop-down menu or from this icon, eBooks. On the ebook page, if you scroll down, there's a big icon there, www.audiobooks.com. And you'll see immediately you're taken to our collection. Now there are about 1,000 books connected here, all of which you can listen to from any computer that has an internet connection. You do not have to download a media console. You do not have to download any software at all. You just need to use our website and have an internet connection. All of the books are available all the time. There are no reservations, no emails to answer, and you'll never find that a book is taken, that you have to wait for it, or it's not available, unless of course there's a technical problem. Now in this case you can see we have classics, fiction, non-fiction, books for children, and Spanish audiobooks, all of them in an audio form. Now if we click on one of these books, we will be taken to the collection. And right now I think I'm showing fiction, but I'd like to show you the classics. And why I've chosen the classics is there's lots of cases where people are required to read books for a course, and there's a lot of books in this collection that are in the Ontario curriculum, one of which is The Great Gatsby. Now when I click on the book, you'll see that I get a picture of a book cover and a synopsis. Now in this case it hasn't loaded, but there'll be a brief discussion or a description of the book. And on the bottom here is the console that actually plays the book for us. If you press play,
Blackstone Audio presents The Great Gatsby.
Now all of the readers are professional, wonderful, very descriptive, very enjoyable. And you'll see, like your car radio, you can jump to the next chapter, to the next spot. You can set a bookmark here or go to a bookmark that you left behind. It is possible to personalize audiobook.com by going to My Favorites and My Cloud. You sign in, use an email address, and you can personalize it. So you needn't worry that you're going to have to spend a lot of time finding your spot again. It will store some information. Now there is a few more details about the index that I'd like to show you. You don't have to look for a cover. You can actually go into the file and ask for a particular book. And in this case, I'm going to pick another one from the curriculum again, King Lear. In this case, this is another version of the index. You'll notice that it looks a lot different than the one I got by clicking on the title. They aren't linked very well together, but you have the information here that I want to know. It's a performance. It has a number of actors in it. In this case, we've got a full cast: Kenneth Branagh, Alec McCowan, and Paul Schofield. In a lot of cases, the books don't tell you who the narrator is, but you can quickly click on this little symbol up here and listen to see whether you like the sound of it or not, whether it appeals to you. Now I'm going to click play here, and I'm immediately into the play. And if you were sharing this with a classroom, you could actually tell everyone to go to track 7, and the whole class could be listening to the book remotely in different locations. So it's an excellent way of sharing a book, and it would work very well with book clubs. I guess I'm a little impatient because sometimes my pictures and my actual little synopsis are not loading immediately. It's a little clunky in terms of going from one book to the next. We're not necessarily linked back to the catalog each time particularly well. But the main thing is it's a simple interface. We can look at, make a selection, and we can keep our own record of what we want to listen to. And in this case, it's My Favorites I'm going to add it to, and I've now added it to my favorites. So I can go to the site quickly, click on My Favorites, get to King Lear, click on my bookmark, and I can have the experience I want. I hope you enjoy.